Just got back from the post office, man. I think I got something that y'all gonna want to see. We've been waiting and waiting, and it's finally here. Man, we got the Sia Collective shoe unboxing for y'all. Stay tuned. What's good, y'all? Y'all already know what it is. It's y'all boy, Truth of Darius. And man, we finally here with the unboxing, man. We've been waiting on this package since February. February 1st. I ordered these and we've been waiting. And they finally here, man. He said because of Corona and everything, I guess it been taking longer for them to ship to the fulfillment center and then to ship to me. But we here. So I got the unboxing video for y'all, man. I'm about to give y'all the first looks. I know sometimes, man, it was some other stuff I was supposed to unbox for y'all, but I ended up unboxing it before, but I got y'all remembered this time, man. I remembered. Cause this is something I think y'all gonna wanna see, man. I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie. I've been waiting on these for a long time, like. Now I'm just gonna stop talking. Oh, before I stop talking, before we hop right into it, disclaimer, man. I'm not having a stroke. I didn't get hit in the lip. I just came from the dentist, man. I just got my teeth cleaned and I got a little feeling. So my lip leaning a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay, you know. Doing the lean with it, rock with it. But it's all cool, y'all, you feel me? As long as y'all can hear me. As long as you can see me. And feel me. We good, man. Let's hop right into it, man. Alright. You know, we don't do no scissors. We just go straight into it like a savage. Just rip it right open. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, it's finally here. Oh my God. I've really been waiting for these forever. First of all, the packaging is pretty decent. Get y'all a close up. Oh my God, so straight from the rib, man. I like the packaging. I like the little window, you know, to see your shoe. Branding at the bottom, somewhere in America. See a logo with the Culture Vulture on the back. Can't forget the Culture Vulture. Coolest gray. Size 10, y'all already know. But let's okay, it's a flip box. And I'm not sure if this is special packaging for this shoe or if all of them come like this, but for the coolest gray pair, definitely this is how it comes. And I know for some of the, like the Coachellas, they come in a box similar. So, okay. Flip up. So is this just a carry? I think this is just to carry. Oh, that's a cool feature. Just to carry. Got some little packaging. Make sure your shoes don't slide everywhere. Oh my God. Jesus. And they come in the bag. That's cool. First looks. First looks, man. What y'all think? Ooh wee. Sia logo. Culture Vulture logo. Man, I want to try these on. I was actually thinking about selling them, man, because they took so long. I'm like, man, I need my money back, man. I need my money back. But I don't know, man. Should I sell them? Should I keep them? I was kind of just mad, but now that I got them in hand, I don't know, y'all. They are very lightweight. They have multiple holes everywhere for different lacing styles. Man. Oh, that's cool. That's dope right there. Okay. It feels soft. It feels like it's gonna be comfortable. Man, let's bust these. We finna bust them down. Bust them all the way down. Laces are super long. I don't know if y'all can see this. Sia. Logo on the inside. Man, these are dope. These are dope. I'm not gonna lie, man. It was definitely a long wait. I will say that, man, somewhere in America, y'all do need to work on y'all customer service. But overall, man, this shoe it's nice. I'm not gonna lie. And it's reflective. So I'm probably about to go show y'all, or let's see if it'll catch it. I'm gonna see if it'll catch the reflective on video. So I'm editing this video and I'm just now realizing that these mugs been reflecting, shining shit the whole video. Like, I literally didn't know. I had my ring light set up, so I guess the light was, making the mugs glow. But yeah, y'all, that's the reflective, man. Y'all seen it. These mugs gonna have your feet glowing like some little earrings or something, like some diamonds or something. But yeah, man, we probably just gonna cut out the rest of this video. This was me just going on a little mission, trying to figure out how to show y'all the reflective on camera, but y'all already seen it. But yeah, y'all, that's the reflective, man. I'm probably gonna drop some B-roll on these. About to throw on a little fit and do a on-foot review for y'all, man. On-foot look, so y'all can see what they look like on foot. But yeah, man, from first thoughts, man, it was I guess I gotta say it was worth the wait, man. They some cold shoes, I'm not gonna lie. But without further ado, man, we finna hop right into the on-foot look. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. Let me know what y'all think about the shoes in the comments. Let me know if y'all want to see me do some outfits that could go with these shoes. Man, let me know if y'all want them, man, because I'm still contemplating selling them. Because I'm just mad that it took so goddamn long. But, man, from first looks, man, these mugs are cold. I'm not going to lie. I do want to see how they feel, how comfortable they are, but it kind of reminds me of a Yeezy, and he even doing a V2 soon. So, man, make sure y'all go check out him, man. Make sure y'all go check him out. But I am warning y'all, man, the custom service is kind of trash. But without further ado, hopping right into the on-foot video. Let's get it.
Stunner got me. I cannot rest on a daily. A lot of blue faces, they hate it. When I was a shorty, I knew I would make it. We came from the bottom, I checked the location. Finesse so you cannot play me. Rich nigga, I trap at some misses. If it's about money, you know that I'm racing. I stay on my lane, cause broke niggas be hating. I cannot rest on a daily. A lot of blue faces, they hate it. When I was a shorty, I knew I would make it. We came from the bottom, I checked the location. Finesse so you cannot play me. Rich nigga, I trap at some misses. If it's about money, you know that I'm racing. I stay on my lane, cause broke niggas be hating. I came in the game, ballin' like Mike, I just hit a game winner. Got racks in my pockets, I can't even fit them. His bitch wanna fuck, say he can't pay for dinner. She know I'm that nigga, got ice on me wet like a motherfucker river. I stay fresh as fuck, gotta take on my pictures, then flex on the ass just to show him who's realer. I be with them drillers, all my niggas stuff, don't get stumped to some tinglers. He thinkin' shit sweet, put his ass in the blender. We back on the block, tryna chase some more figures. I run out that bag, I cannot let up, no, we can't come at last. They tell me don't stop, keep my foot on the gas. So when I blow up, they gon' put me on blast. I know I'm a star, I'm not average. In love with that money, that cabbage. A lot of blue faces, I know that they hate it. I pull up, they looking embarrassed. I keep me a bag and a bad bitch. Give a fuck how you feel, bitch, I'm careless. Give a fuck how you feel, bitch, I'm careless. I cannot rest on a daily. A lot of blue faces, they hate it. When I was a shorty, I knew I would make it. We came from the bottom, I checked the location. Finesse so you cannot play me. Rich nigga, I trap at some misses. If it's about money, you know that I'm racing. I stay on my leg, cause all niggas be hating. Phone up. Gang. All my niggas with it, we get into it. Shorty shaking that ass, I like how it move. Got them sticks in the back, yeah, we keep them tools. But I tweet niggas know we act a fool. I feel like lil' baby got something to prove. Leave his ass in the past, they won't have a clue. And I go get the bad bros, can get it too. I can tell by their face that them niggas blue. All my niggas with it, we get into it. Shorty shaking that ass, I like how it move. Got them sticks in the back, yeah, we keep them tools. But I tweet niggas know we act a fool. I feel like lil' baby got something to prove. Leave his ass in the past, they won't have a clue. And I go get the bad bros, can get it too. I can tell by their face that them niggas blue. Bitch, I be with them sinners, we send it up. I just pulled up a fool on my double cup. Niggas line through their teeth cause they talk too much. They some goofies, y'all niggas can't fuck with us. We got chips, bitch, my pockets be double stuffed. If a nigga want smoke, then let's roll it up. All my